Hey guys, it's the new RFZ. Thought I'd show it to you. Just picked her up yesterday. It's a 125cc, 4 gears. It's a 4-stroke. It has the clutch. They have the same option without the clutch, but I got the one with the clutch. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's got a nice comfortable cushion. It's a lot bigger than I thought, but it's not really a problem. I definitely recommend these Apollo bikes if you're kind of on a budget and you want a new bike, but you can't really spend $5,000–6,000 on a dirt bike. This one will run you about between $1,400 to $1,600. I was able to bargain it down to $1,400. He was asking $1,600. For the price, it's definitely worth it. These Apollos, they definitely run if you maintain them correctly and you don't screw them up. They run very well for sure. It's actually my 3rd Apollo.